Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Mornings on Main, where we're giving you the latest updates on everything happening in downtown, Midtown, and Tuscaloosa Park here in Ocala, Florida. We are at the iconic 101 building right on Silver Springs Boulevard. You can see all of the traffic behind me, the Downtown Hilton Hotel, and far in the background, the Downtown Gazebo. And we have an exciting update for something happening right here on the corner of 101. Stay tuned for some information from our sponsors, and then we'll head inside.
With the Crystal Smith Real Estate Group. I'm proud to be from Ocala and I truly love this community. That's why I'm excited to sponsor the Ocala Main Street podcast, supporting local stories, local businesses, and the place we call home.
So here it is. This building has been vacant here on the corner for a little while now, and we are so excited to not only have just any restaurant, but an iconic restaurant of Ocala, 36 Bistro. Let's head inside and see what the owner has planned. Come on. And this entrance is beautiful. You can see the archway here. And so if you've never been inside, the 101 building is actually gorgeous. It has really cool industrial vibes. If you want to head right inside, you can see the lighting, the archway, the brickwork. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is also home to Symmetry Cafe. We have Riven right here, a small children's boutique. And then, of course, right in the front entrance when you first walked in, this is going to be 36 Bistro. Here, standing outside of the 101 building, right here on this concrete pad, right alongside Silver Springs Boulevard in the heart of downtown Ocala. And this is actually going to be an outdoor patio. If you can even believe it, it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. I think trusses and overhanging vines, bistro tables. It's going to be such a vibe. And if you are sitting here, you can see directly across the street the Downtown Gazebo. So it really is a beautiful location right here in the heart of downtown Ocala.
How you doing? I'm Chef Sean with 36 Bistro. I'm going to lease this area right here. I took it over. What we're going to be doing is 36 Bistro is going to come downtown to the town square.
So exciting.
From the desert that we're at right now. And we're going to create an optimal, beautiful restaurant. Create a high-end environment. We have the patio here, which is going to be seating. We're doing a pergola inside. We're going to do an open kitchen, to where you can watch the people cook, see what's going on, and all that kind of stuff. So it's going to be a lot of fun. We're bringing modernist cuisine to downtown. We're going to continue with the exotics, the kangaroos, the camel, the python, all that kind of stuff. Like I said, it'll be an open kitchen concept, so you can watch all the hustle and bustle that goes on in the kitchen, and hopefully there's not too much Gordon Ramsay going on.
Now I know 36 Bistro has intention behind it. So tell us a little bit about.
So the thing is what I'm bringing down here is I'm going to try to get and resource as much as possible within 360 miles of the restaurant.
Amazing.
So stick within local.
That's amazing. I'm so excited. First of all, to be like right off the downtown square, you can physically see the gazebo from here, which is really cool.
Yeah, it'll be nice.
I think what you're bringing to activate this space, like the vines and the pergola, it's going to be so beautiful.
It'll be a lot of fun. We're gonna level it up.
Yes.
The interior is going to be amazing. It's going to be beautiful. The whole vibe is going to be just amazing. You have to wait to see it.
I'm so excited.
Hope to do by bringing and coming downtown is to get, a dine out Ocala night where it's 7 to 10 other restaurants and do courses, and each course will be done at different restaurants, and just try to create a food culture is what I'm trying to do. So that's what, as you know, I'm from Seattle.
Yes.
So that's what we did there, you know, and some great local things going on, and create something in downtown that's a food culture.
Yes.
Because as a chef, it's all about the food culture for me.
Absolutely.
So.
Well, and there's so many great options, and we're so excited to have you as a new option here in downtown.
Yeah,
so we're excited.
I hope you get it done within 6 months. We'll see.
Don't hold him to it.
I have to. I'm gonna start painting.
I love it. Well, walk us inside and show us what you have planned
Sure.
on the inside of the interior. Sean, tell us about your vision inside of this place.
So this is the inside. You see the beautiful windows and all that. This building is quite old, you know, so it's going to lend to the kind of the atmosphere I want to do. Back here will be the kitchen area, and it's going to be an open kitchen. This is where you'll be able to sit up at the counter.
Right.
There's a big doorway coming in here.
Oh, fun, to the patio.
Yes.
Oh, so you'll have the access right from
Oh,
inside.
right. Yeah,
Oh, that's
completely.
beautiful.
Completely.
Okay.
So it's going to
Very
be
cool.
a lot of art, very mellow type
Yeah.
of tones,
Yeah.
but it'll be beautiful.
Well, I love it because it's, I mean, you're technically on the midtown side of downtown, right? And so like the industrial vibes is so fun, and like to have the outside in feel is going to be gorgeous.
Oh yeah, it'll be amazing. Like I said, this will all be kitchen back there, so you'll
That's
be able
gonna
to
be
see
really
everything
cool.
except the dishes
See
going
you
on.
work.
Yeah.
That's really neat because it's so immersive. And I think what's nice about it too is, you know, having the access to the patio being right on the linear trail and the connectivity into the midtown area. I mean, this is a growing area, and I think you're
completely.
going to be the corner store on the south end of midtown for us.
Well,
now,
there's a
which
lot
is
of
really
great
cool.
great things going on downtown
Yeah.
here. I mean, the hotels being built,
Right.
the apartments. I mean, there's
Yes.
a lot of activity, so there's tons of growth going on.
Yes.
You know, and then
It's
I'll
good
be a great
timing.
part of it. Oh,
I know.
completely.
Oh, we're so
You
excited.
know, so it'll be a lot of fun. I'm not going to
Yeah.
have a liquor license, but I'll be doing,
That's all right.
you know, some great wines, some
Yeah.
good beers,
That's
and
all you
that
need.
kind of stuff.
Well, I'm really looking forward to it.
And
So
the great window access. I
it's
mean,
so beautiful. I mean, honestly, people would die for this kind of view into the downtown. I mean, there's really only 1 or 2 other locations where you're right on the square. So this is going to be top-notch experience, I think, for anybody coming into downtown.
and it has parking.
And it has parking.
So that's the plus.
That's amazing.
That's
That's
another
really good.
plus. So it has parking.
Well, I'm excited to come in here and watch you work and have a meal when you're finally open. And we'll stay tuned on progress and give you guys some updates. Thank you so much, Chef
Thank
Sean.
you. Appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Stay
you.
tuned for more updates.
Thanks.
Thank
Right on.
you. That's awesome.